Your Apple TV 4K is secretly obsolete. The box sitting in your living room right now is running on a chip from over 3.5 years ago. It has the A15 Bionic inside. That is the exact same chip used in the old iPhone 13. But here's the crazy part. Right now, as you're watching this video, Apple has already built the brand new Apple TV. It is completely finished. It is boxed up. It is sitting in a warehouse, just waiting to ship. But Apple refuses to release it yet. And the reason why they are hiding it is actually mind-blowing. It all comes down to a secret hidden inside the latest software updates. Apple is clearing the runway for something massive. We are talking about the brand new A18 Pro Chip. We are talking about 8 gigabytes of RAM, Wi-Fi Shapte, Apple Intelligence, and a Siri that actually works. This is going to be the absolute biggest Apple TV upgrade in an entire decade. Let us break down everything you need to know, why the current model is failing, and exactly why you need to hold on to your money and wait. Let's start with what is actually wrong with the current Apple TV right now. The third-generation Apple TV 4K launched way back in October 2022. It felt fast back then, but things have changed rapidly. It runs on that older A15 Bionic chip. It only has 4 gigabytes of RAM. The maximum storage you can get is just 64 gigabytes. And the hardware is finally starting to show its age in a bad way. The A15 chip is thermally capped. This means it has a strict heat limit. When you push it hard, the whole system slows down. If you're playing games, streaming heavy 4K content, or using AirPlay mirroring, the performance simply drops. You get frame pacing issues. The video stutters on your big screen. Apps take noticeably longer to launch. Launching an Apple Arcade game currently takes a frustrating 3 to 5 seconds. The hardware is hitting a solid brick wall. Apple knows this perfectly well. If you look at the recent tvOS 26.5 beta updates, they tell a very clear story. These software updates are full of minor tweaks. They have stability patches. They have security fixes. They have small performance optimizations. But there is one major thing completely missing. There are 0 new features. That is not an accident. Apple is done adding features to the current generation. Even worse, the latest updates are actually breaking the current Apple TV hardware. Users are complaining everywhere online. After updating to tvOS 26.5, the YouTube app is completely broken. YouTube navigation just stops working. Swipe gestures on your Siri Remote stop working entirely. You try force quitting the app, but it does not fix it. You try restarting the whole device, and it still does not fix the problem. This is not a minor bug. YouTube is the #1 most used app on this device. When an update breaks the main app people use, that is a massive red flag. It proves the software and the old hardware are no longer playing nice together. So if the current box is struggling and the new hardware is already finished, why is Apple waiting? Multiple credible reports confirm the new hardware has been completely ready since sometime in 2025. Apple is holding it back on purpose. They're waiting for one specific thing. They need a smarter Siri. They need WebKit, Spotlight, shortcuts, and Image I/O to work perfectly under the hood. These are critical fixes, not cosmetic ones. Apple is officially done building on the old tvOS 26 software cycle. All eyes are now looking forward. They are completely focused on tvOS 27. This brand new software will debut at WWDC 2026 on June 8th. This is the exact software milestone holding up the new hardware. tvOS 27 is the absolute minimum requirement to run Apple Intelligence on your television. The current A15 chip simply cannot run Apple Intelligence. It cannot run it partially. It cannot run it in a limited mode. There is 0 support. Full stop. Apple Intelligence needs serious power to function. It requires a minimum of an A17 Pro chip. It also requires a minimum of 8 gigabytes of RAM. Your current Apple TV hits neither of those numbers. It is way too weak. The new model fixes all of this. It will feature that A17 Pro chip built on a cutting-edge 3nm process. It jumps from 4 gigabytes of RAM straight to 8 gigabytes. That specific RAM upgrade is the magic number. 8 gigabytes is the threshold needed to run artificial intelligence models locally right on the device. This means it does not send your private data away to the cloud. It keeps everything safe inside your house. No cloud round trips means zero latency. You get instant responses every single time you ask for something. The leap in pure power is staggering. The A17 Pro brings roughly 30% faster multi-core performance compared to the old model. It has a powerful 6-core GPU. For the first time ever on an Apple TV, this chip supports hardware-accelerated ray tracing. This is a massive deal for anyone who plays games. Ray tracing means console-quality lighting. It means real-time reflections shining in your living room, just like a PlayStation or Xbox. The current A15 chip only has a 5-core GPU and absolutely no ray tracing at all. The new Apple TV is going to be a total beast. It will also feature Wi-Fi 7 support using Apple's new N1 wireless chip. It connects to the lightning-fast 6 GHz band. This means much less network congestion and insanely faster internet speeds. Say goodbye to buffering forever. It will also have Bluetooth 6. This is perfect for connecting multiple game controllers and wireless earbuds without any annoying lag. Apple is also building a Thread border router right into the box. This turns your Apple TV into a genuine, powerful smart home hub. It will control your lights, locks, and cameras better than ever before. Storage options are expected to stay at 64 gigabytes and 128 gigabytes. However, these will use much faster internal chips for crazy fast reading and writing speeds. Launching a heavy game on the new model will be totally instant. AirPlay from your iPhone will be completely stable. Now, let us talk about the remote. We all lose the Apple TV remote. It slides right into the couch cushions and disappears for days. Apple is finally fixing this living room nightmare. The strongest rumor right now is that the new Siri Remote will get a U2 ultra-wideband chip built inside. This is the exact same tracking chip used inside an Apple AirTag. It enables a feature called precision finding. When you lose the remote, you just open your iPhone. The screen will display a literal arrow pointing exactly to where the remote is hiding under your blanket. You will be able to find the remote instantly. That alone might be worth the entire upgrade price for a lot of people. It is a real problem, and Apple is finally solving it. The other huge remote fix is the voice button itself. Today, Siri on the Apple TV is basically useless. It barely understands what you're saying. It constantly misinterprets simple commands. It is a frustrating experience every time you press it. But with tvOS 27 shipping in September 2026, Siri gets a massive brain transplant. Siri will actually understand context and natural language. You can say something like, "Show me something funny like what we watched last night." Siri will actually know exactly what you watched across every single streaming service and give you a perfect recommendation. That is the power of on-device Apple Intelligence. It understands you like a real person. Apple actually wanted this new, smarter Siri to launch this past spring with iOS 26.4. But the AI was not ready. Then they pushed it to iOS 26.5. It was still not ready. Now, they're tying it completely to the launch of this new hardware. Because here is the big picture you need to understand. The Apple TV, the HomePod, the upcoming smart display, and the new HomePod all share the exact same software dependency. Apple is building an entire smart home ecosystem around a single software release. When tvOS 27 launches, they all launch together. The Apple TV is no longer just a simple streaming box. It is a full computing platform. For the first time, it could genuinely compete with devices like the NVIDIA Shield as a hardcore gaming hub for your living room. So how much will this super-powered box actually cost you? Right now, the current Apple TV starts at $129 for the Wi-Fi only 64 gigabyte model. The Ethernet model costs $149. Famous Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo previously said the sweet spot for the next model should be under $100. But let us be completely realistic here. Giving you an A17 Pro chip, 8 gigabytes of RAM, and an advanced N1 wireless modem is not cheap to manufacture. It is very optimistic to expect a massive price cut with these premium specs. More realistically, we might see a base model drop slightly to around $99. Then there'll be a EM tier sitting right at $129 to $149. This premium tier will have the Ethernet port and the extra storage space. If Apple actually hits that $99 price point with this incredibly powerful hardware, it is game over. It undercuts every single competitor on the market. It will completely redefine the entire streaming device category. So here is the final verdict. Should you buy an Apple TV right now, or should you wait? Wait. Absolutely wait. You only have to wait about 5 months until September. What is coming is heavily worth the wait, even if it stays at that $129 price tag. Right now, basic 4K content still plays fine on the current model. There is no major rush to upgrade today if your current box is working okay. But if you buy the current one now, you are buying a 3.5-year-old box with absolutely zero AI support. The upgrade math just makes perfect sense to wait. Ask yourself these questions right now. Does your current Apple TV feel slow? Are you constantly hitting your storage limit and having to delete apps? Does Siri frustrate you every single time you press the microphone button? Do you experience occasional stutter when you use AirPlay from your iPhone? Do you lose your remote constantly? If you said yes to any of those questions, then this massive upgrade is made exactly for you. But if you're just a casual streamer who watches standard definition YouTube and nothing else, maybe you do not care about AI and ray tracing. For everyone else, keep your money safely in your wallet for now. The biggest Apple TV leap in a decade is just around the corner. In my best opinion, this upcoming Apple TV is a complete game changer that transforms the living room experience. The addition of hardware-accelerated ray tracing finally makes it a viable casual gaming console. And the A18 chip in the remote is the massive quality-of-life upgrade we have begged for over the last 10 years. Having local, on-device Apple Intelligence process commands instantly, without cloud lag, will make navigating menus and finding shows feel like magic compared to the clumsy Siri we have today. Waiting for this device is the smartest tech decision you can make this year. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon like that, and give your best opinion about this product.